What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you guys the brand new DNA coil. Cut and dry, very simple, just a pearl DNA. So exo pearl, whatever that is, I'm not so sure. Super coil core, low RG, high diff, very high intermediate. I think it's like 23, which I think is the highest of all of our balls. But I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna throw it. Now the vibe I'm getting, I've thrown it a little bit, very little. Ball is very strong in the front part of the lane for a pearl ball, which is kind of funny because I felt a bit of the opposite with the solid DNA, which ideally, the solid one should be strong in the front part of the lane. Hook. But the DNA, the solid one, actually felt like one of the cleaner solids to me compared to like Reality Then, Gem, all those. This one, it feels like a slight step down cover-wise from Exotic Gem and Eternity. Here we go. For some reason, I had the vibe. I had like a dark code type vibe from it. So naturally, I laid it out like my dark code. Give the old Prather Special 5 by 4.5 with a 4 3/4 buffer, pin down. Mass ends up about on my valve. And you guys know typically I go with that 5.5 by 5 by 3 pin up over there. Just wanted to give myself a different look. Pin down's gonna give me a little bit more stability to the front part of the lane. But like I said, this cover still feels pretty diggy in the front. Oh. I'm struggling a little bit to get through the front part of the lane, as you can see, but I know the DNA may not have been the most popular ball in the world. This one feels much more user-friendly than the DNA itself. Pearl ASIMs, I think, are gonna be very good on most house shots for most people. This one I don't think is any exception. I'm gonna go a step further and try and rotate a little bit more. See what this ball really gives me. See if it really gives me that dark code vibe. I, for one, was one of the few people that did like the original DNA because I'm a little more heavy-handed in the front part of the lane, so that ball actually was a bit more consistent for me. This one, maybe making it in the bag very quickly for all those tournaments I don't bowl. That's a good sign for ASIM. I went about 5 or 6 left, tried to rotate a little bit more, and it came around there. So that's a lot of what I did with the dark code, and I don't have any more dark codes. This might be the one. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going until this ball doesn't want to go anymore. Mary, you're gonna be holding that camera for a while. I think this ball's gonna keep going. You good? Shoulder exercise? Feel good for you? Yeah? Cool. Take another couple to the left. We've now crossed the border. Mary, you're gonna be there for a while. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I have no clue what exo pearl is, but I think I like it. This ball came out few months ago overseas in Korea. The video looked great, but I do know that building that they filmed that video at, Belmo and Daria, and a lot of balls look great there. But this one's looking great now. And I'm still moving. That was ambitious. But I'm gonna show you guys a couple more straighter ones, wrap it up. I don't really have much more else to say about this ball. You probably didn't learn anything about it, but at least you guys have to see it. All right, so we'll get a little bit straighter for you. Mary, I think this is your ball. I think this is your ball.
My ball?
It might be. Got a little straighter there, rolled it a little bit more, a little less rev rate. And
Do you know where I can get one?
Do I know where you can get one? You got credits, get your own. But like I was saying, a little straighter, a little more speed, rolled it a little more, and it didn't really hook stop on me. You can see it still continued smoothly down the lane. That's partially because of the pin down layout. Ladies and gentlemen, pin downs go longer and they're a little bit smoother on the transition. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. But I don't know if it's because I'm not a holiday, but I'm really liking this ball. Good ASIM piece, it feels like. And try another straighter-ish one. Oh! You should see the look that Mare's giving me right now. Ball's good. It doesn't, it's not a miss 3 left at the arrows good for you. I'm done throwing, I'm sweating under my shirt. But that, guys, is DNA Coil for you. Exo Pearl cover, Super Coil cover, ASIM. I'm tired, this is the second video we filmed. I'm not in shape to bowl anymore. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe button down below. Ball will be available, I believe, March 20th. If that's wrong, so be it. We're coming to TV Ball and Supply. Pre-order one today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.